Hello, my YouTube friends! The ultimate goal of any live streamer is to reach as many people as possible. It doesn't really matter the reason. Some might want to be famous. Others just realize the more people they reach, the more money they can make. And for a while, the tools to help streamers do this were complicated or stuck behind a paywall. But not anymore. There is a new free plugin for OBS that makes it easy to multi-stream, so you can reach the maximum number of people with each live stream. I'm going to tell you all about it today, so you know what? Let's get to it! Now this plugin is super easy to install, as you're going to see. It's from Atom, the same guys that gave us the free vertical plugin. There are links in the description so you can download it and follow along. That is the best way to learn. Let's go ahead and install it. If you just come to the Atom page, this is what you're going to see. But if we drop down products, we can go here to the multi-stream. Tells you a little bit about it, but of course the download multi-stream is free, so we're just going to click there. And we can make a donation and all that fun stuff if we like. But it just pops up into our downloads. So all we have to do is go over into our downloads section. Double click. We're going to get an administrative prompt that you can't see, but we're just going to click yes and then next. And just make sure that this is the location of your OBS. Click next and it's going to tell you what it's going to be called, and we can click install. And there we go. Now we finished it up. All we have to do in order to use it is go ahead and open up our OBS. Now I work really hard to try to create content that I think you guys are going to enjoy. Sometimes I hit and sometimes I miss, but it's really hard to know for sure. And that's where you can really help me out. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. And if it's not your cup of tea, do me a favor and give it a thumbs down. If every single person watching this video right now leaves it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, I'm going to know for sure if this is the type of content that you want to see. So thumbs up, thumbs down right now. Thank you for helping me out. Let's get back to the video. Now that we have it installed, let's contemplate the meaning of life. That's long enough. Let me show you how to use it. And once we are back in OBS, all we have to do is go into our docs, and we can see the Atom multi-stream right here. We can just click on that, and this can be docked anywhere we want, so we can put it over here if we like. And it automatically lists our built-in stream, which is the one that we have set up in settings right here. So this stream right here, that is the one that is automatically in here. We can also set up a stream for our vertical canvas. And if we come down here, we can add some more streams. And the beautiful thing about this is that we can add more streams in our main canvas, but we can also add more streams in our vertical canvas. So you really don't need to do anything but go to the general here and click on main outputs, and it's going to automatically take you to the main canvas. We can add one. The main canvas would be this one right here. And we can add outputs. So if we wanted to stream to Twitch or TikTok or anything else, we could also go to other service and put in our Rumble service right here. If we stream to Rumble or anything that's not actually listed right here. And it's pretty simple too. So if we decided to go to Twitch, we can name our Twitch output and we can select our Twitch server. But you can also get a server recommended by clicking here. So it will tell you which ones it thinks you should go to. And then if you want to get your stream key, you can just click here. It will actually take you to your desktop so you could get your stream key. So we could just copy that out and go right back into OBS and put it in there. So we don't even really have to do a lot of the work. This just makes it really easy. So now we're all set up. We can create our Twitch output and we can see it right there. If we click OK, you're going to see it built right in. We've got our built-in stream. We know that's going to YouTube. Now we have our Twitch output. We can do the same thing for vertical canvases and all that stuff. So if we wanted to set up a vertical canvas stream, we just go here. We can add an output and you can go to all the same things. And if we were to decide to go to TikTok, you can see that it gives you the information to go to the locations so you can get your server and your stream key. It makes it as easy as humanly possible. And all of these include the ability to go to other services. So if you wanted to stream in vertical to Rumble or wherever, you can easily do that. And that is the same with the main canvas. All you have to do is click Other Services. You put in the name of the service, the server that you want to stream to, and the stream key. You create the output, and it's going to put it up right over here. Now you can go into advanced settings and change different aspects of the stream, but I would highly recommend that you don't do this. You pretty much want to use the same encoder and the same settings for every single one so that you are absolutely certain that you're not going to run into any kind of situation where you're going to be having to encode the stream more than once. Because you're already going to be taxing the system with multiple uploads, you don't need to tax the system with multiple encodes as well. So I would leave all those settings the same. And yes, it does mean that you're going to stream the same resolution and bitrate to YouTube and Twitch and anything else, and to any of your vertical canvases, but that just makes sense. Don't make your machine work any harder than it has to. If you're entertaining and your audio is good, well, as long as the stream is visible and it's decent, people are going to find it and they're going to enjoy it. Now, I just want to remind everyone that every platform that you stream to is going to take upload bandwidth. That means if you have a bit rate set to 6,000 kilobits per second, every additional platform will add that much to your stream. This plugin is not a cheat code for a poor internet connection. You still need to have the bandwidth. Otherwise, it works flawlessly and it's so easy to set up. Now, is there something that I missed in this video that you want to see? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about Atom's other awesome plugin that allows you to stream and record in vertical at the same time in OBS, check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.